Here is how to enjoy safe and easy parking with the parking assistant in your BMW with operating system X. The parking assistant can automatically park your BMW for you. It takes over the acceleration, braking, and steering to maneuver into and out of parallel and perpendicular spaces. Let's go. The parking assistant automatically scans for parking spaces around and ahead of the car in the background when driving at a maximum speed of 35 kilometers per hour or 21 miles per hour. Pressing the parking assistant button on your steering wheel leads you to the assistance view. Let's park. The vehicle visualizes the detected cars and parallel and perpendicular parking spaces around the car and automatically suggests the best suited parking space, even the ones in front of the car. Select your desired parking space and the parking direction, reverse or forward. Ready? Press the OK button on the steering wheel or the Start button on the central display. Release the brake and remove your hands from the steering wheel. Your BMW starts parking in automatically. Stay attentive. You can use the brake to slow down. Any other input like accelerating or steering will interrupt the maneuver. During the maneuver, the camera view is automatically selected to provide optimal support to the driver. Of course, this can be changed at any time. Once the maneuver is complete, the transmission will automatically engage P. You can simply leave the car, but there is more. If you parked in a parallel or forward in a perpendicular space, your BMW suggests to park out for you after entering the car and putting in reverse. Tab OK to park out. Enjoy easy parking and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.
You bought the ultimate driving machine. Good for you. Now let's make sure you're using all of it. Tap one of these videos to unlock the full potential.